Today our topic Current Affairs Bits Part 3.
Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my videos.
What is the theme for World Population Day 2020? The options are Start family planning for a happy future. Option B, How to safeguard the health and rights of women and girls now. Option C, Big family brings big problems too. Option D, Take the pledge to control the population. The option B is correct answer. How to safeguard the health and rights of women and girls now. World Population Day is observed on July 11th every year. How to safeguard the health and rights of women and girls now. Amid the pandemic is the theme of this year's World Population Day. World Asthma Day is celebrated on. The options are 5th June, B 6th July, C 5th May, D 11th August. The option C is correct answer. 5th May. World Asthma Day is celebrated on 5th May 2020. Every year the day is observed on the first Tuesday of May month. World Red Cross Day is celebrated on A 4th May, B 8th May, C 6th May, D 7th May. The correct option is B 8th May. World Red Cross Day is celebrated on 8th May each year. This date is the anniversary of the birth of Jean Henry Donat, who was born on 8th May 1828. In May 2020, which country has introduced a new currency, Toman, to tackle inflation? The options are UAE, B Turkey, C Jordan, D Iran. The option D is correct answer. D Iran. In May 2020, the Iran parliament has announced the decision to replace its currency rial with another basic unit of currency called the Toman. Operation Sunrise is a joint army operative of which of the two following countries? The options are Nepal and Myanmar, B India and Nepal, C Myanmar and Bangladesh, D India and Myanmar, E India and Sri Lanka. The correct answer is option D India and Myanmar. The Operation Sunrise is a joint army operative of India and Myanmar. The first phase of this operation was launched in February 2019. On 8th August 2020, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the National Sanitization Center, Rashtriya Swachha Kendra, under Swachha Bharat Abhiyan in which union territory? The options are A Delhi, B Chandigarh, C Ladakh, D Jammu and Kashmir. The correct answer is Delhi. Option A is correct one. On 8th August 2020, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Rashtriya Swachha Kendra under Swachha Bharat Mission in Delhi. India's first ever mobile RT-PCR reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction testing lab was launched in. The options are A Kerala, B Maharashtra, C Andhra Pradesh, D Karnataka. The option D is Karnataka is correct answer. On 5th August 2020, India's first ever mobile RT-PCR reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction testing lab was launched in Bengaluru, Karnataka? In January 2019, India's largest startup ecosystem was inaugurated in which state? The options are A. Maharashtra, B. Kerala, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Punjab. The correct option is B. Kerala. India's largest startup ecosystem was inaugurated in Kerala on 30th January 2019. Amit Pangal won gold in which category in Asian Boxing Championship 2019? The options are A. 48 kg, B. 52 kg, C. 62 kg, D. 81 kg. The correct option is B. 52 kg. Amit Pangal won gold in 52 kg category in Asian Boxing Championship 2019. He became the first Indian boxer to reach the final of World Men's Boxing Championships. Which player has the best bowling average in IPL? A. Jasprit Brahma, B. Zaheer Khan, C. Kasigo Rabada, D. Lasith Malinga. The correct answer is option C. Kasigo Rabada. He is from South Africa. India won how many gold medals in International Asian Athletics Championship 2019? The given options are A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. The correct option is B. 3 gold medals. India won 3 gold medals in International Asian Athletics Championship 2019. These medals are P.U. Chitra in 1500 meter race, second Gomati Marimattu in 1800 meters race, third Tejinder Pal Singh in shot put. If you like the video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Do like and share with your friends and relatives. Thank you.